half cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half cup of salt, a half cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 medium egg, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, a half cup of chocolate chips. We're gonna do the chocolate chips again. Now turn on the oven for 180 degrees Celsius. Then mix flour, salt, baking soda, and cocoa powder. Gonna do it in the sifter. Be careful. Salt and cocoa powder. Then you want to sift it into the bowl. After we sift, it will look like this. And it does not matter if there's some balls of cocoa powder. Now we're gonna put the sugar in the bowl. A lot of sugar. Then you want to make a hole. I'm gonna use this spatula to mix it up first. This is the hole. Then you pour the milk in the hole. Oops. Then you will do the oil in the hole too. And then you will crack the egg. Then we will mix it all together. Mix it all together and whisk all the lumps until you cannot see any lumps. And the lumps are like the bigger parts. And don't forget the vinegar. You can mix it. It will turn like this if you mix it with the vinegar. If you mix it all together, it will look like this. And because of the vinegar, it can be have bubbles. Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. And don't forget, it's a 1 cup of chocolate chips. But don't do it. You can mix it up so it's not in all one place. Now we're gonna put the paper cups into the baking tray, and this recipe makes about 12. This is how it should look like. It does not matter if it's a different paper cup, it's just which color we use. We use yellow. Then you gently pour the batter into the cups. And don't fill it up too much because it's gonna rise in the oven. If you want, you can sprinkle some chocolate chips on the top. I want it because then it's more chocolate and then it's really double chocolate. Now we're ready to do this batter with the cups. We have muffins or cupcakes. The double cooked chocolate muffins are now ready to put in the oven. And if the oven is done heating, ask your parents to put it in the oven. Now the cupcakes are in the oven. You can wait for 20 minutes and do whatever you want. See you over 20 minutes. It has been 20 minutes and now and this is the finishing project. But we're gonna wait until it dries, until it's cool down, because then if it's hot you can burn yourself or hurt. So chip. That's it. Bye.